The cherished memory of the late veteran actress, Sidikat, was tenderly commemorated as family members, close friends, and esteemed colleagues united in somber reflection at her Christian wakekeeping and burial service. The poignant event unfolded at her hometown, a gathering suffused with respect and reverence for the legacy she left behind in the realm of entertainment. Actress Toyin, a peer and friend, offered a poignant glimpse into the occasion by sharing a video capturing the atmosphere of the event. Her accompanying caption poignantly encapsulated the sentiment of the day.
Gently, gently. Rọra o, ẹ má fi fún mọ́gìrì ẹjọ́. Fẹ́ tó ṣe máa sọ̀rọ̀ àyà olùgbàlà rẹ̀ afẹ́ òṣèré.
Amidst the backdrop of heartfelt tributes and shared memories, the solemn Christian wakekeeping and burial service served as a touching tribute to the indelible impact of Sidikat's contributions to the world of acting and the lives she touched.
Not to waste time, whoever that wants to go, yeah. Tell me to go machine. Yeah. And the valley for
move it here, my dear.
Your last
move it. Move it to me, I want to.
This thing
must be big. Yes. Yes. Not to cover it. Yes.
And never mind. Not she got
God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Sorry, on behalf of the Dean of the Cathedral, sorry is an omission and a great one. We want to recognize the presence of the of His Imperial Majesty, the Oni of Ife.